Welcome, Bucks. We are so excited to be able to offer an in-person commencement this year.
We'll be hosting 2 ceremonies. The first on April 30th at 6 p.m. for all August 2019, December 2019, and May 2020 graduates.
And the second event on May 1st at 6 p.m. for all August 2020, December 2020, and May 2021 graduates. Both events will be held on Buccaneer Field at Whitfield Stadium.
You can help us have a successful and memorable event by following these steps. Step 1, attire. This is your day, so dress your best.
Guys, we recommend khakis or dress pants and a shirt with a collar.
Ladies, you can wear a nice outfit or a nice dress, but no heels.
Here's a sample of what not to wear.
I know. You want to wear cute shoes, but no heels are permitted on the artificial turf. If you show up in heels, you can opt to wear these lovely turf-approved foot covers for your bare feet. If you show up with shoes that are not allowed, you will have the chance to either purchase a pair of CSU flip-flops or we'll provide a pair of free foot covers. Neither choice is as comfortable or attractive as wearing your own flat shoes.
Step 2, show up. Make sure you show up early.
Wait for me!
Be on campus by 5 p.m. when the stadium gates open. You will park in the grass field across from the football stadium on Charleston Southern Boulevard. Commencement begins at 6 p.m.
Step 3, line up. Once you park your car, head over to the entrance of the football stadium. Remember to leave all bags, backpacks, and purses in your vehicle as you cannot carry anything into the ceremony. CSU staff will greet you and get you checked in. If you need to phonetically spell your name to the readers, we'll point you to the table where they will prepare your name card. Faculty marshals will assist you in lining up by last name and degree. Don't forget your place, as that is the order in which the diplomas are stacked for distribution.
Step 4, walk. The processional begins with faculty first. Then graduating Bucks will begin to walk behind them to their seats, spaced appropriately distanced on the field. Students will be grouped by their degree by faculty marshals. Please pay attention to all directions given to you by the marshals as they line up graduates and lead them to the correct row. Gentlemen, you will be asked to remove your caps and everyone will remain standing until after the opening prayer is finished. Then, please put your caps back on as you take your seat.
Step 5, diploma. Row by row, you will line up and walk the stage for your 15 seconds of fame. This is your time to shine, the moment you've worked so hard for. Everyone must continue to wear face masks for your safety and all those around you. When your row is led forward, you will walk up the steps, present your name card, and hear your name called as you walk across the stage. President Costin will hand you your diploma and you will proceed across the stage and down the steps. There will not be a handshake, please do not hug, and no stopping for photos. Air high fives, though, are totally appropriate. Once down the steps, you may take off your mask and a formal photograph will be taken in front of the CSU backdrop. Put your mask back on and head towards your seat. Remain standing until everyone in your row returns and you'll be seated at the same time.
Step 6, turn the tassel. During the ceremony, you will be asked to stand and move your tassel from right to left as a group after Dr. Costin has pronounced you as a CSU graduate. Wearing your tassel on the left signifies you are now a college graduate.
Step 7, proud alumnus. Everyone will exit the stadium after the benediction. Be sure to follow the CSU Alumni Association on social media to find out how you can stay involved as a forever Buccaneer.
Congratulations!
You are now a CSU alumnus.